Has your heartbeat eased? Give me the truth.
Definitely yes, because we have been working so hard since last. It's been 17 years. We have every women's who work hard for Nepal women's cricket team to deserve this win. So we wanted to dedicate this win to everyone's out whoever work in Nepal. So congratulations to Nepali women's cricket team, and I think this is our historic moment. I think it's 17 years we been just qualified for the first time.
To be ranked 21st on the ICC Women's T20I rankings and then to defeat a 16th ranked, higher ranked team in the UAE and then go on to seal the global qualifier spot. Where does this victory rank for yourself and this side?
Definitely, we have been working so hard since we have been practicing from India. We have been practicing there and coming here to everyone sacrifice a lot of things. We have been day night every single day we have been practicing. So I think this is the time where we got a good win.
This result is, of course, a replication of what you did at the Asia Cup last year. How much of that confidence did you carry into today's game? Because you had defeated UAE by a whopping 6 wickets in that match, and today you eked out a 5-wicket victory.
I mean, see, we have been working hard. I must say, every time we've been working every single day, every freaking day. We been we have got self belief each one each of everyone. I mean, yes, I cannot speak. I'm very nervous now.
Tell us a little bit about the kind of bowling performance we saw because you had decided to bowl first. Where was Manisha Upadhyay hiding? Why didn't you use her before in this tournament?
I think well, she did very great to uplift it today's game. I mean, shout out to Manisha. She played a vital role today. So everyone deserved to win this today's game. This is very historic moment for Nepal women's cricket team.
I can see the jubilation, and I will request you to stay put here because we still have a lot to get out of you there. There was Indu Burma, who we will hear from again as we start rolling out the honors because we've had a few very standout and special performances. Terrific 4-wicket haul for Nepal coming into goal in those crucial overs. And of course, do not forget the contribution of UAE skipper Isha Oza, 39 runs from the bat of the captain. But for that nervy yet decisive knock coming in from the bat of Indu Burma, the captain of Nepal, the player of the matches, Nepal skipper. What a knock this was from Indu Burma. 30 runs of 28 balls, 2 fours. Her second unbeaten knock of the ICC Women's T20 World Cup Asia qualifier, and unsurprisingly, hitting the winning runs yet again. You have clearly made a habit out of this, Indu.
Well, I mean, it was very nervous moment at the end. I mean, we have lost a good wicket in mid inning, so I have to be staying and I have to finish the game. So yeah, that's the plan.
Tell us about the partnership with your former skipper, your predecessor Rubinath Shetty, that clearly tilted the favors for Nepal.
I mean, yeah, she played very great role. I mean, she is our, legend. We must say because she have sacrificed a lot. It's been 15, 17 years. I mean, everyone deserves to win this game. And firstly, I would like to give this player of the match to Manisha Upadhyay.
That's an excellent gesture, and I think it was Manisha to be out here. Beautiful moment this. And Manisha, if I could ask Manisha, who took a superlative 4 wickets all, नेपाली में भी बात कर सकते हैं, हिंदी में भी आप बात कर सकते हैं, ट्रांसलेट करेंगी आपकी कैप्टन, your captain is going to translate for us. Manisha Upadhyay, how happy are you with this gesture from your skipper?
धेरै खुसिलो छु दिदीको यो म मेन चाहिँ रुबिना दिदीलाई डेडिकेट गर्छु किनभने दिदीको धेरै योगदान छ हैन दिदीको लागि धेरै खुसी छु म आफू लागि टिमको लागि चाहिँ धेरै खुसी छु
I mean, she is very great. For Rubina Di also playing a great and vital role for her. Her inspiration is Rubina Didi, and she is looking to play like Rubina Didi.
And where does this moment this spell, this performance of yours rank in your life and career, young Manisha, because you played a key role in helping Nepal get through to the global qualifiers of an ICC Women's T20 World Cup?
आफूलाई नै प्रुभ गर्नु थियो होइन मलाई त्यही प्रुभ गरेर अब आउने दिनहरूमा अझै प्रुभ गर्छु आफूले
Well, she got opportunity and she grabbed, and she will definitely improve every day, every freaking day. So she will do good in upcoming games.
Well done, Indu Burma. Well done, Manisha Upadhyay. Well done, Rubina
Thank you so
Cheshmi
much.
and Nepal. Deserving winners of the second match of the ICC Women's T20 World Cup Asia Qualifier Super 3 stage. That concludes the post-match presentation here from the Third High Cricket Ground. We will be back with live action tomorrow for the last and final game of the Super 3s and also of this qualifying